Hello, good day. I'm Jalila Dejuma, your instructor for geometry, which is the first part. Firstly, we are going to look at, in this lesson, we are going to look at plane geometry, only plane geometry. In the subsequent one, we are going to look further on other aspects of geometry. Plane geometry. What is plane geometry? Plane geometry deals with flat shapes which can be drawn on a pieces of paper. Plane geometry is also known as a two-dimensional geometry, and we have the example triangle, rectangle, circle, rhombus, and square. Now here I'm going to tell you some terminology used in plane geometry. Point. A point is a precise location or place on a plane, usually represented by a dot. Or you can say a point is an exact position or location on a plane surface. A line. The line is straight without curve, having no thickness and extend in both directions without end. That means when they say a line does not have an end and a starting point. For example, look at this diagram of line here. This will show you that the line is continuous to the right and also continuous to the left. The line segment. A line that has a starting and an end point is called a line segment. If a line has a starting and an end point, we call it line segment. And a ray is a line that has a starting point but does not have end point. This dot shows the starting point of the ray, and this arrow shows that the ray is continuous. For example, a sun ray. Now a polygon. A polygon is any two-dimensional shape formed with straight lines. For example, triangle, quadrilateral, and pentagon. Also hexagon. All of them are example of polygon. Now look at further example of polygon. A polygon with 3 sides is triangle, while hexagon is a polygon with 6 sides. Octagon is a polygon with 8 sides, while decagon is a polygon with 10 sides. Now we look at a circle as a plane figure. A circle is a geometrical shape that is made by drawing a curve that always has the same distance from the point that we refer to as center. Now this is what they mean here. This is the center here. As you can see, from the center here to any side of the circle, on the line, or on the circumference, from the center to this line, from the center to another line here, the distance from the center here, from the center to the line is the same thing, with the distance from this line to the center is the same thing. A circumference is just the length, a number, or the length of a circle. The center of a circle is a point from which all the points on the circle are the same distance as explained earlier. Now a diameter. Some feature of the circle. We have a diameter. A diameter is a chord that passes through the center of a circle, while a radius is a half of a diameter. Now when they say find the diameter of a circle, that means find the length of this diameter of the circle. Now the line segment connecting 2 points. That means the line segment connecting 2 points on a circle circumference is called a chord. You can see the green line, it connects 2 points on the circle circumference. That line is called what? A chord. And a segment is a region between the chord and the circumference. This region is called a segment. Now this will mark the end of our class today, and I will give you assignment which I would like you to do and submit to the guide channel. Thank you.